Check one. Check two. Check this out.
And it's a new day on the internet. Thanks for joining me here today in the studio. I got this piece in the mail this week. I am working on a trade show and we needed a way to hang speakers in our booth. And the guys at Italian Speaker Imports, who are the importers of Bespeco products, sent me over this guy right here, which not very exciting. It's a box, right? But what's in the box is what's exciting. Let's see here. SH56. So this is, I don't even need a knife to get this open. So this is your basic wall mount speaker stand, which any install guys who need things for churches, gymnasiums, cafeterias, any of that junk, this could be a helpful piece. It's let's get the plastic off of here. There we go, your basic 35 millimeter pole mount there for your top hats, which this thing has a arm length of 11 inches. Weighs about 4 pounds, give or take. Let's see what's going on there. Okay, so we have some teeth in here. Let's see if I can show that off. So you're able to set your angle and then clamp down on the teeth. And it looks like that's a safety feature right there. That guy. Yeah, so it doesn't go forward any further than that. So that is all metal except for the little cheap plastic part on top of the pole. Now, this thing holds about 99 pounds if I did the math right, from kilograms to pounds. Capacity weight 45 kilograms. Yeah, that's like 99 pounds. So, let's take this guy and get him set up. We have some... Oh, I'm going to have to find my damn toolbox. I don't know where my toolbox is. But it comes with 4 bolts along with the, what do they call these damn things? For when you're screwing into drywall and such. The anchors, I guess that's what they are, right? Plastic anchors. So, let us find a place and find my toolbox, and then we will hang it up and see what happens. Be back in a couple minutes. So I did find my toolbox, and in there I found my handy dandy ratchet, which I will try hard not to be too ratchet in this video. Ha 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 ha. That joke's for the millennials. The thing I did have trouble finding, though, was a place in my house where I could mount this thing. But I did go into back storage room, and I have this windowsill here. So, let's do it. Now we have this mounted directly to my wall here in the back room of my studio, which is really a storage room. For the trade show, I'm setting up, we'll probably mount these directly to the truss, but I have a powered speaker down here that I've had kicking around for a while that we can put up there. Of course, you don't have to have something this large for these stands. You can even go with little 5-inch or 6-inch with horns. This is an old guy I've had for a while. I use for a monitor every now and then. Wow, it's been a long time. But this speaker is just over 30 pounds. So I'm going to loosen it here and set some situations where you want to have it pointed down. You can have it pointed. Let's see how low this goes. Loosen this. Yeah. So that's as low as you can get on these. It's also, the arm moves horizontally. So I'm going to go back a bit here, just have a little bit of a downward tilt to it. Let's say right there, just a teeny bit. And then, of course, you get the tilt. There we go. So that doesn't look like it's going anywhere. Now, if you liked this video and want to learn about other gear, please subscribe. Make sure to also look in the information section of this video for links on where you can purchase this